Friends, I'm really excited because we are having a 5-day past life regression workshop again in the next month. So you can check out the dates. This workshop is for all those people who have been waiting to explore their past life and learn from the past life experiences. This is the time to register for this workshop. But before that, I would like you to check out the details of the workshop, what are the benefits, what we are going to cover. It's going to be 5 days and it's online on Zoom, almost 2 hours every day. It depends, the session may go longer if there are too many questions. But this is going to be extremely wonderful experience like never before. Many people go through this experience and they find that many of the fears have disappeared and many unexpected benefits people get. You can connect to relationships of the past and also you can current life relationships. Many of them have been your relatives, friends in the past life also, so you can know more about that, some of the patterns you have in current life, why you have them, some of the skills, abilities that you have in this life, and some of the things that you have learned in previous lifetimes. You can retrieve that also. Many benefits are there. Check out the link on the website nalandawellness.com. It's there in the description in the below, so check it out. And if you've been waiting for this workshop, you've been trying to look for the right opportunity when you can get this workshop, then this is something in the comfort of your home you can do this, and you're going to close your eyes and relax and retrieve those memories of the past, and many exciting things will open up. If you are ready for the adventure, then just check out the details and register. Okay, see you in the workshop. Bye bye.